Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Today we're at 230 North Sunset Lane, right down the street from Central Boulevard, across from Arizona Financial. You'll see the balloons at the end of the street on Sunset Lane. You'll turn right. It's a private drive. Very quiet. Very quiet. Beautiful day here. I'm hosting an open house until 2. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Beautiful porch. Got a nice 2-car garage over there. Very nice and shaded. I'm gonna go into the house. And the living room. Yes, the fans are on. It's a beautiful warm day outside. We've got our sign in with our his and hers free drawing basket. We've got our snacks and free roses for the ladies today. Happy Valentine's Day again, everybody. Nice layout here. Going into the master suite, we have a nice fast fan and we have a nice large walk-in shower and a nice walk-in closet. So yeah. And yes, hi. And then there's a guest bedroom, guest suite. This nice little spacious. And yes. Okay. And a nice storage. Nice view from here. More storage. And the kitchen. Okay. So here we go. Stackable washer and dryer. Linen closet. Kitchen. Want to make you sick. With the dishwasher. Yeah. So out the back door. We have the full, let's see, back here, come down and around to the deck. Okay. So, you'll see. Nice and shady. Okay. All right, and then here we are again.